Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be installing a new door jamb switch into my spooky Jeep here. If you're new here, welcome to my channel and don't forget to subscribe. A while back, I was having a problem. I would come out here to start the spooky Jeep and the battery would be dead, completely dead and flat. I figured out what the problem was when I installed the LED bulbs on the interior, and it was the door jamb switch. So today we're going to be installing a new door jamb switch. So the switch was relatively cheap. It was about $15 from my local auto parts store. I'm not sure if there's any on Amazon. I'll take a look and I'll put some links down in the description below. It's a really quick and easy process and we're just going to get it knocked out. So the door jamb switch actually just screws on in right here. So we're going to go ahead and take a socket and unscrew this real quick. All right, go ahead.
Go. Some more. I'll take it out.
Okay, so once it's unscrewed, this actually just plugs into here and it should just pop right out. Next, you take your new switch out of the package and plug it in. And then once it's plugged in, you want to twist in the opposite direction that you're going to screw it in. Get it into place and then tighten her down. It appears to be working.
Next step on the process is to shut your door.
And with that, we are all done. Now, one thing to note is it's going to seem really long when you first install it. It adjusts itself the first time you shut your door. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. As always, don't forget to subscribe. You can check me out on TikTok at It's Project Venture, as well as Instagram at It's Project Venture. Thanks for watching.